Hi there. Looking to reload your Forex card with Orient Exchange? Let me show you how. First, who can reload the Forex card? Leisure travelers, international students, and business travelers. Step by step, I will explain how to reload your Forex card. First, you need to visit their website. Then select your city and click on the Reload option. Next, select the currency you need and enter the amount. Then click on Book Now. Later, specify trip details, indicate whether this reload is for a current trip or a new trip. If it is for a new trip, you will need to provide some additional documents. Upload the necessary documents, including the TCS and reload form. If you are reloading for a new trip, you will need to submit your passport, air ticket, PAN card, and visa. For students, a student ID is mandatory. Complete the payment process. If you are a leisure traveler, you can make the payment yourself. For students, their parents must make the payment on their behalf. It is a swift and efficient process. Please remember, if you are an immigrant or traveling abroad for employment, you cannot reload your Forex card once you have traveled on an immigration or employment visa. And that's it. Reloading your Forex card with Orient Exchange is easy and convenient, ensuring you have the funds you need for your travels. Safe travels.